birthday, Ate Les. And I hope you enjoy your time.
All we wish is you are full of joy with your family. Believe na your family is always at your back, supporting you.
Teles, happy birthday! Naway pagpalay ka pa ng Panginoon, no? Mas mahaba pang buhay, magandang kalusugan, ang iyong pamilya, natigit sa lahat, makapagpatuloy ka, no, sa ating extra mahal na ministeryo. Ikaw ang aming tinatanaw na gabay, no? Sa lahat na atalayan ka pa ng Diyos. God bless you more.
In behalf of Men's Ministry, Pastor Juan, happy and blessed
Birthday!
Ate
Leslie!
God bless you all!
Yes, surprise! Happy birthday! May you continue to soar high for the Lord. Happy birthday, Ate Les!
Happy birthday, Tita Les! God bless you! We love you!
Thank you po for leading BAC Cluster 1, and thank you for pushing us beyond our limits. God bless. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Proverbs 31, verse 29. There are many virtues and capable women in the world, but you surpass them all. So thank you for your leadership and always stand here. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Day. Dalangin ko sa panibagong taon ng iyong buhay, mararanasan mo lalo ang pag-ibig, kapayapaan at katapatan ng Diyos. At naway tuparin niya ang lahat ng magagandang plano para sa iyo. Enjoy your special day and God bless you. I love you.
Noong June 14, 2016, yung ating first time na pag-attend sa Ladies Fellowship. And after that, sa 9 years na yan, marami na tayong naging tawanan, iyakan, at maraming nabuo rin na memories kasama si Flor. May pa tayong pagsasamahan, marami pa tayong gagawin para sa Panginoon. Kaya patuloy lang kahit na mahirap. And enjoy your special day celebrating with your family and COG.
Hello everyone. Ate Leslie, I'd like you to know that I appreciate you. I'm so thankful for your life. I really thank God every time I remember you. Thank you for being such a blessing to the Ladies Ministry. I really couldn't do ministry without all of you, of course, with all the rest of the core leaders. Pero I'd like to say that Ate Leslie, you are one of the key players of the Ladies Ministry. And we are really blessed with your presence. Ako po personally, I'm blessed with the way you worship, with the way you stand for the ladies, with the way you said yes to the Lord, kahit na alam kong there are some or more often many challenges in the ministry, and marami ka ding mga personal na problema, personal na mga struggles, no? Pero thank you for fighting a good fight of faith, and thank you for saying yes even dun sa mga mahihirap at sa mga imposible nating pinagagagawa sa ministry. Today I celebrate your life, and I pronounce Numbers chapter 6 verses 24 to 26 upon your life. May the Lord's face really shine upon you and give you peace, and may the Lord give all the desires of your heart as you delight yourself in Him. So today, I honor you, salute to your leadership, and happy birthday. Enjoy the day.